Did you know you can add wireless Android Auto and CarPlay to your 2015 to 2017 Subaru Legacy? This is the Hamilton conversion kit. It's a beautiful 8.5-inch screen that's completely replaced the factory touchscreen and radio. We took that old unit out and got rid of it completely, and this is the Hamilton conversion kit in its place. It's going to keep all of your factory features. I'm turning the volume up and down here from the steering wheel. Of course, the original reverse camera will be preserved as well. We've done extensive design work over many months for this unit, so I'm super excited to tell you all of the details in this video. We've precision tuned it to work with your factory microphone. That means phone calls are going to sound great, as well as talking to the Google Voice Assistant or Siri. Navigation is so much safer and more beautiful on this big screen here. You can use the Google Voice Assistant to get directions. You can easily search for nearby destinations also. With this system, you can install a 4G SIM card from T-Mobile or any other carrier that supports the T-Mobile network. And what that allows you to do is have features available outside of CarPlay or Android Auto. So if we had that SIM card installed, this system would be live right here. You can see we've got these apps. You could also pair it to your phone's hotspot when you're not using CarPlay or Android Auto instead of a SIM card, but that'll give you access to these features that are not available in CarPlay or Android Auto. It's going to make your Subaru Legacy more powerful than even the newest infotainment systems on the market. One of the other important things for you to note, we have our own in-house software development team at Hamilton Motor Company, so we can include this over-the-air update app. What that does and what it means is as CarPlay and Android Auto evolve over time, or as Hamilton wants to add features, we can allow you to connect your unit to Wi-Fi and download updates to your device just like an iPhone, and it'll get better over time. It's how we can make sure that our devices stay on the cutting edge. Any app that has an Android Auto component will automatically show up. So whether you use Spotify, YouTube Music, SoundCloud, Pandora, or any other app, you'll have easy access to all of your songs. Of course, it looks so much better. You can see your beautiful cover art on this nice big screen. Because we use the highest quality components, we back our systems by a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. We've also got a full installation video that'll show you how to put this system in. It's going to ship to you right from Raleigh, North Carolina here. And one of the other aspects of that is our concierge style tech support team. So included in your purchase is access to our premium tech support. You can give us a call at 919-858-2890. We've got a really talented team that knows everything about these systems. They can answer your questions before, during, or after your installation. Check us out for any Subaru, Lexus, or Toyota need. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. I'll see you in the next video.